In this video, we're reviewing the best anti-snoring mouthpieces on the market. If you're interested in any of the products mentioned, you'll find the links in the description below. The first product we're going to discuss is the SleepTight RX Mouthpiece. This mouthpiece is designed by a dentist and is available by prescription only, making it a custom-fit solution specifically tailored to your needs. The SleepTight RX is FDA cleared and intended for the treatment of snoring and mild to moderate obstructive sleep apnea in adults. What sets this product apart is its personalized approach. When you create your account, you'll complete a sleep health questionnaire that will be reviewed by on-staff health professionals. This ensures that the mouthpiece is suitable for your specific condition. Additionally, the mouthpiece is free from latex and BPA, which is great for those with sensitivities or allergies. The SleepTight RX is also HSA and FSA eligible, allowing you to use your health savings funds for this purchase. Next, let's talk about the ZQuiet 2-size starter pack. ZQuiet offers a flexible solution to snoring with its two unique mouthpieces designed to provide a comfortable fit for both men and women. The starter pack includes two mouthpieces with different levels of jaw advancement. Size 1 advances the jaw by 2 mm and Size 2 advances the jaw by 6 mm. This allows you to choose the level of advancement that works best for you depending on the severity of your snoring. The ZQuiet mouthpieces are designed to keep the airway open, preventing the turbulence that causes snoring. They come with a protective storage case, making them easy to store and transport. One of the advantages of ZQuiet is its patented design, which offers comfort and flexibility, making it an excellent option for those who need an adjustable solution to their snoring problem. So, these are the best anti-snoring mouthpieces available right now. Whether you need a custom-fit solution like the SleepTight RX or a more flexible option like ZQuiet, there's something here for everyone. Remember, the links to these products can be found in the description below. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helps you find the perfect solution for a better night's sleep.